All right, my man. All right, buddies. Let's see where that bloke is. Amazing when you start walking somewhere, then they all turn up, don't they? Oh, fucking heading. Do your heading, my boy. Daddy let you off and then. You know, a lovely skeleton. Got a very tall cameraman. There he is up there, look. Pine cone. Oh, it's something white. Come on. See him? You just want to go back to the car. Just want to go back to the car all the while. But, there you go again. Come on. Lazy ass. Come here, mate. There you go. There you go, yeah. Yeah, my bud. Come here, just in case that bloke's there. There you go, man. Come away with Georgie, come away. Come away with Georgie. Tell you what, that amazes me the shit people leave about. This bank along here, or the one along that tree line over there, when they were building it, and this was all just dug out sand in a food little bank. One Sunday I went over there with a detector, dug up a Saxon skeet, lovely silver tiny coin, as the security guard walked over toward me and said, "You can't do that here, mate." I said, "Okay, young fellow." Flip-flop, and away I went, skippity-doo. And along I found a couple of bits of bronze bit along this bit, because all this soil was once in here. But the problem was, to detect along that bank where the tree is now, the guy on the land the other side put a traveller's transition site in. So you can imagine what happened to that. Smashed up, ripped up. Geezer must have spent fucking millions on it. putting all new floors in, double those flint things, baskets too high, concrete at all, electric, water. Let them come in, and what do? Start doing garden clearances, left the place a shithole, smashed the fences up. The old lot, nappies all over the fence, the lot. So, you don't really want to be detecting that bank no more, which is a shame. But along here, there's a bit of shit. But old goat cars and that. That bank over there, where I'm parked and where I just walked along, is all apple trees. All lovely apple trees of all different sorts. Loads and loads and loads. People look at you as though you're stupid if you're getting apples. They look at you like, oh my God, look at him. He ain't buying them from the shop. What a bunch of nutters. Is that a bottle or not a bottle? That's not a bottle. That's a piece of muck. Is that a bottle or not a bottle? It's a bottle. Another one at the bottom. Let's see where it is. If I walk back a bit. You may not. But that's a bottle. Oh, you sausage, you got my vile skippity-doo. Hey? There you go, my big kid. So he comes skippity back with a smiley face because he didn't want to give him a treat. Well, I did. Go on, you're all right, go forth. Go forth, Billy Ray. And now, over here, I don't know whether you lot will see through the fence, but if I can find a gap, I'll walk in and show you. And he was banging on a tree up there. It's probably a bit high for me to go in there. But where's the bottle? The bottle's about 100 metres away, man. Can you see it? That's it. No chance. They do have, while there isn't a lot of litter, the petty criminal faction in the city, you know, shoplifters and people, you know, as such. You might find the odd needle packet on here after a Sunday. They come in here on a Sunday and they have to do community service, and they clear this up. But they're not really doing community service because this is private, and the bus company rent it off the people who own it. It's private, so they're getting free labour, because sometimes they'll do the trees. The guy who run it, who's paid by social services or whoever he's paid by, they come and have, you know, cut all the plants.